Hi, I'm here to show you how to replace the UVC bulbs on our PD900P air purification system. Again, we have three 900 series units, but they all take the same filter, same UVC lights, just different configuration on it, okay? So this unit, make sure you unplug it from the wall, turn the power switch off on the back, obviously. I'm gonna spin the unit around here. There are machine screws on the back that you access with a screwdriver, okay? They're machine screws. Remove the screws from the top panel. Set this off to the side. And to access the UVC bulbs, you're gonna have to remove the carbon potassium permanganate filter. You're gonna have to remove your Photo Catalytic Oxidation filter, okay? Which is activated by your UVC bulbs, which are internal here. You're gonna remove the two UVC bulbs out of the package. What I like to do is I like to remove them, get them ready. If you actually look the way they're set up on the actual package, the prong side is actually where you actually remove it from. So when you do remove the tape, I like to prepare before I put my gloves on. So get the bulb out just a little bit. Handle them with care, okay? They are glass like any other light bulb. If you do drop them or step on them, you know, you will break them, okay? Handle them with care. You don't want to touch them with your hands. No oil from your hands. You create hot spots and lose efficiency of the bulb. It won't damage them or break them, but just lose the efficiency. Get them both ready. So the package comes with two sets of UVC bulbs, a set of gloves, and two clips, retainer clips for the actual bulbs in the unit, okay? So once I have it all ready, bulbs are ready, gloves, put your gloves on, very simple. And once you get the gloves in place, I always say just to get them on, even to remove the old bulbs. That way you have them on when you're going through the process. It's gonna be so much easier just to remove them and put the new bulbs in so you don't forget, okay? So you put your gloves on. Again, you're gonna get into the unit itself, remove from the retainer clips. Okay, got a little, pull number one bulb out, set it off aside. Second bulb, you're gonna pull it out, put it off to the side. You have your two clips, you're gonna pull out the clips, 1 and 2. The reason why we're giving you clips, if you look at the color on them, they have discolor over time from the UVC, okay? So look how clear they were, look how they are now. So they get brittle, so you wanna put the new clips in to hold the bulbs firmly in place in your new bulbs for at least another 2 to 3 years. Get your new clips, put them in place here. They're just very simple. They snap into place, 1 and 2. Get your UVC bulb, handle with care. Again, you wanna first guide them into the back retainer clip, put it in. Again, sometimes you just got to be a little firm with them, but not where the point you're going to break them, okay? Snap it into place, 1. Get the second bulb, again, to the retainer clip. Put in the back retainers. And sometimes I get people saying, Joe, they're kind of difficult to get them in. Yeah, sometimes they are a little bit, right? I do agree, but just be patient with them to put them in. We have two types of retainers as well. So 1 and 2, they're both back in place now. Put your PCO filter back into place. Again, faces downwards, screen up, because that's what activates from the UVC bulbs. Just be a little gentle with it, getting it in, but nice tight fit. You want that in there. Get your carbon potassium permanganate filter back into place. Again, folks, they are a little bit tight. You want that. You don't want bad air getting through them. You want to filter as much air as possible. Any impurities in the air, particles, viruses, bacteria, you want to catch it in the filter. You want to create as little minimal bypass as possible. Put your cover back in place. Again, they're machine screws. Just be patient with them. You don't need your gloves at this point here, but since I have them on, why not? Keep my hands nice and clean. The screws back in, Phillips screwdriver back into place, plug the unit back in, put your air purifier back into operation.